Geologic rock cycle and types. The rock cycle is a fundamental geologic concept that describes the dynamic transitions through geologic time. Among the three main rock types are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Sedimentary rocks are types of rock that are formed by the deposition of material at the Earth's surface and within bodies of water. Sedimentation is the collective name for processes that cause mineral and/or organic particles to settle and accumulate, or minerals to precipitate from a solution. Particles that form sedimentary rock by accumulating are called sediment. Before being deposited, sediment was formed by weathering and erosion in a source area, and then transported to the place of deposition by water, wind, ice, mass movement, or glaciers. The sedimentary rock cover of the continents of the Earth's crust is extensive, but the total contribution of sedimentary rocks is estimated to be only 8% of the total volume of crust. Here you can see layering of sediments through time, which show the history of Earth. The Grand Canyon is a great example for sedimentary rocks. The Grand Canyon is a historic time bomb that shows the multiple types of rock layering from Earth's beginning till today. Metamorphic rocks arise from the transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. The original rock, or protolith, is subjected to heat and pressure, causing profound physical and/or chemical change. The protolith may be sedimentary rock, igneous rock, or another older metamorphic rock. What you see in this picture is called foliation, the layering within metamorphic rocks, and it occurs when a rock is being shortened along one axis during recrystallization. A type of metamorphism called contact metamorphism is the name given to the changes that take place when magma is injected into the surrounding solid rock. The changes that occur are greatest wherever the magma comes into contact with the rock because the temperatures are highest at this boundary and decrease with the distance from it. Most metamorphism is caused by intense heat from underground earth and the overlaying pressure from on top of the crust. Regional metamorphism, also known as dynamic metamorphism, is the name given to changes in great masses of rock over a wide area. Rocks can be metamorphosed simply by being at great depths below the Earth's surface, subjected to high temperatures and the great pressure caused by the immense weight of the rock layers above. Much of the lower continental crust is metamorphic. Horizontal tectonic movements, such as the collision of continents, create organic belts, which is what you see in this picture, and cause high temperatures, pressures, and deformation in the rocks along these belts. Last but not least is igneous rock. Igneous rock is one of the three main rock types. Igneous rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Igneous rock may form with or without crystallization, either below the surface as intrusive rocks or on the surface as extrusive rocks. There are over 700 different types of igneous rocks, and most of them having formed beneath the surface of Earth's crust. This shows just a few of the different types of igneous rocks. As you can see, most of them are dark in color with small crystals. The smaller the crystals, the faster it took for the lava to cool. The larger the crystals means that it cooled slowly and deep underground. Igneous and metamorphic rocks make up 90 to 95% of the top 16 kilometers of Earth's crust by volume. In some special circumstances, they host important mineral deposits. For example, tungsten, tin, and uranium are commonly associated with granites and diorites, whereas ores of chromium and platinum are commonly associated with gabbros. There is a difference between magma and lava. Magma is lava which is underground and has not met the surface yet. Once it comes through a volcano and meets the surface, it becomes lava. Extrusive igneous rocks cool quickly, and as a result these rocks are fine-grained or has lack of crystal growth. Intrusive igneous rocks are formed from the magma that cools slowly, and as a result these rocks are coarse-grained. The rock cycle may seem boring to most people, but without understanding the three main different types, geologists would have difficulty locating and determining valuable ores, minerals, and natural resources. Thank you for viewing.